Vlak, ki je bil namenjen v Portland, je v ponedeljek zjutraj iztiril z nadvoza nad avtocesto, pri tem pa je nekaj vagonov padlo na avtocesto pod nadvozom in na bližnje gozdnato območje. Vagoni so zadeli 7 vozil, od tega 2 tovornjaka. V teh vozilih je bilo ranjenih več ljudi. Vzrok za nesrečo naj bi bila po prvih podatkih prekoračena dovoljena hitrost.
The investigator in charge has obtained a download of the event data recorder on the rear locomotive. Preliminary indications are that the train was traveling at 80 miles per hour in a 30 mile per hour track.
Kar nekaj časa je vladala negotovost glede števila smrtnih žrtev, saj so oblasti odlašale z objavo uradnih podatkov. Britanski BBC je tako poročal, da je v nesreči umrlo 6 ljudi.
There were early numbers from media that there were a lot more fatalities, so we were doing our due diligence to look at that number compared to what we knew, and that's why it's taken us so long.
Uradno so življenje zaenkrat izgubile 3 osebe, a oblasti ne izključujejo možnosti, da bi število žrtev še naraslo.
Of the 10 that were seriously injured, one of those was life-flighted up to Harborview Medical Center, which is one of our trauma care hospitals. And as you know, we had 3 confirmed fatalities here earlier today. I do want to say, as you know, we've had a lot of reports of more fatalities earlier in the day, but I do want to let you know that there are 3 confirmed, and that for any additional questions or sources, please make sure you come through us.
Delo gasilcev, ki so sodelovali pri reševanju, je bilo zaradi povsem uničenih vagonov in vozil pod nadvozom železniške proge močno oteženo. Pri delu so si gasilci morali pomagati z različnimi orodji, zaradi česar se je reševanje ponesrečencev še nekoliko zavleklo.
They took a lot of extrication tools. It wasn't easy for the firefighters to get through. They were using jaws of life, they were using air chisels and different forms of saws to be able to get into some of the crushed cars to get access to people and get them out. Some of the rescues were done by ladders. It was just a difficult place to be.
Vagon se je kar naenkrat prevrnil in nenadoma se je stemnilo, je povedal eden izmed udeležencev nesreče.
But the one guy pushed out the window and I helped him get down and he helped me get down and we crawled underneath the train and I could hear people screaming and stuff in the other parts, so, and then by that time ambulances and stuff were coming, so.
Na nesrečo so se že odzvali v družbi Amtrak, ki je upravljala s ponesrečenim vlakom. Družba je svojcem žrtev in udeležencem nesreče obljubila vso potrebno pomoč.
We'll do everything in our power to support these passengers, our employees and their families in the coming days, weeks and months, and we'll spare no expense to do so.
Na nesrečo se je odzval tudi ameriški predsednik Donald Trump. Na socialnem omrežju Twitter je zapisal, da nesreča kaže na potrebo po hitri potrditvi načrta za obnovo infrastrukture v ZDA.